Dogs see colors differently. Dogs aren't actually colorblind, they can see the world in vibrant shades of blue and yellow. Forget the myth that dogs live in a dull, gray universe. Their eyes have two types of color-detecting cells, called cones, which means they see a spectrum that's totally different from ours. While humans see a rainbow of colors thanks to three types of cones, dogs are missing the one that detects red and green. That's why a bright red toy might look brown or gray to your pup, but a yellow ball pops out like a beacon in the grass. This unique vision helps dogs spot movement and follow objects even in low light, making them excellent hunters and companions for night walks. Their world isn't less colorful, it's just tuned to a different palette that's perfectly suited to their needs. So the next time you toss a toy, remember, dogs may not see every color, but the blues and yellows in their world shine as brightly as anything we can imagine.